Hello, everyone. Uh, I have seen this happen so many times. A client asks for an AI agent. Everyone's excited. The team open up Copilot Studio and start building. 2 weeks later, the feedback come back. Agent works. It just doesn't solve the right problem. The one sentence, "This is not what we expected," is the most expensive thing you can hear at the end of the project. I'm Samir Makwana, Microsoft MVP, and today I want to share 10 questions that prevent exactly what just happened. Here's what I learned. It's not it's not technology problem, it's a clarity problem. Teams start building before they have agreed on what they're building. The agent does exactly what it was built to do. It just wasn't built to solve the right problem. So, before you click anything, ask better questions. That's it. That's the whole framework. There are 4 questions I will not start project without. I call them core 4. Question 1. What is the input? Is someone typing question, uploading a file? Is Power Automate Flow passing a data? Is another agent calling this one? Each answer changes the design completely. Question 2. What should agent actually do with that input? Don't accept vague answers like help users. Push for the verb, summarize, extract, recommend, guide. The verbs tells you everything about logic, the prompt, and the success criteria. The question 3, what knowledge should it use? SharePoint, Dataverse, a custom API, and here's the one people skip. Is that content actually current? I've seen proof of concept stall because of the knowledge base was 200 pages outdated PDF with inconsistent formatting. But to know that before you build. Question 4. What does good response look like? Ask your client to show you an example. Some people want one definitive answer, other wants an option. Some needs bullet points, others needs a paragraph, a 3-paragraph response. That's a perfect on desktop, is terrible for the field technician on the phone, right? And this is where my remaining questions comes in, where it helps. Once you have the core 4, the 6 questions tighten the build and prevent the rework. So question 5, who is the user? An internal HR agent for employee can assume company terminology. A customer-facing agent cannot. Know your audience. Question number 6, where will it be deployed? Teams, web chat, SharePoint, Power Apps. Each channel has its own nuances. Design for environment. What should it not do? That is a question number 7. This is a guardrail question like competitors, legal advice, topic that need human. Define the boundary early. Scope creep starts the moment this question goes unanswered. Question number 8. What happens when it can't answer? A dead end is the worst experience. Plan the fallback. Graceful messages, escalation, logging. Plan for all the edges. Question number 9. Does it need to take an action or just answer the question? Answering question needs good prompt and knowledge source. Action, on the other side, required creating tickets, sending emails, updating records, add connector, authentication, error handling. So make sure the complexity is justified. Question 10. How do we measure the success? A proof of concept without success criteria is just a demo. So define accuracy targets, satisfaction score, and task completion rates. Measurements brings accountability. So here's what I found. The client appreciate these questions. It shows you are not just a builder, you're a partner. You have invested in getting it right, not just getting it done. And when the project lands exactly as expected, that's not luck, that's alignment. A few minutes of clarity upfront saves hours of rework later. The full article is on LinkedIn. It goes deeper on each question. If you're building with the Copilot Studio or planning to, it's worth read. I'm Samir Makwana. Follow me on my next article.